These two straight line segments are parallel to each other. Magnitude of this angle is 52 degrees. Find the value of A. These two line segments, straight line segments are parallel. Then alternate angles are equal. This angle is 78 degrees. Then the sum of the angles of a triangle. The sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. 52 plus 78 plus A is equal 180. 2 plus 8, 10, remaining 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. Plus A is equal 180. A is equal 180, subtract 130, equal 50 degrees. A is equal 50 degrees. The sum of the three interior angle is 180 degrees. A plus 50 equal 180. A plus A, 2A plus 50 equal 180. 2A is equal 180, subtract 50 is equal 130 degrees. Both sides divide by 2. A is equal 65 degrees. A is equal 65 degrees. A is equal 65 degrees. Now A and B are alternate angles. They lie in the letter Z. Here not B. This angle. A and this angle are alternate angles. Here adjacent angles. These are adjacent angles. Then this the magnitude of this angle is 65 degrees. Then B plus 65 is equal 180 degrees. They are adjacent angles. B is equal 180 subtract 65 is equal 150 degrees. B is equal 150 degrees. 150. B is equal 115 degrees. Now see, this is a triangle. The sum of three interior angles are supplemental. B is equal 115 plus 25 plus C is equal 180. 140 plus C is equal 180. C is equal 180 subtract 140 is equal 40 degrees. C is equal 40 degrees. Now these two straight line segments are parallel. Then this angle is equal 28 degrees because this angle and this angle are alternate angles. Then this is a triangle. The sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is equal 180 degrees. We can write 105 degrees plus 28 degrees plus M is equal 180. 8 plus 5, 13. Remaining 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Here 1 plus M is equal 180. M is equal 180 subtract 133 10 subtract 3, 7. 7 subtract 3, 4. M is equal 47 degrees. Now, this is a triangle. 130 degrees plus x equal 180. X plus x, 2x is equal 180. Subtract 130. 180 subtract 130 is equal 50. 2x, both sides divide by 2. X is equal 25 degrees. X is 25. Then this angle also 25, 25, 25. Here now this is a large triangle. Y plus 2x is 50 plus 50 is equal 180 degrees. 50, 100. Y is equal 180 subtract 100 is equal 80 degrees. Y is equal 80 degrees. Next question. These two line segments are parallel. Then this angle is x. The magnitude of this angle also x. They are alternate angles. Then this is a triangle. The sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. 65 plus 90 degrees plus x is equal 180. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 9, 50. Plus x is equal 180. X is equal 180. Subtract 155 is equal 25 degrees. X is equal 25 degrees. X is 25 degrees. Now, this is a triangle. This also triangle. The sum of three interior angles of a triangle. Here 25 plus 125 plus y is equal 180. 125 plus 25, 150 plus y is equal 180. Y is equal 180. Subtract 150 is equal 30 degrees. Y is equal 30 degrees. In the given figure, angle ABC is equal angle CBE. Angle ABC is equal angle CBE. Here we can mark this BCE, angle BCE. Magnitude of angle BCE is equal 70 degrees. Find the magnitude of the angle DEF. Now, here, this AB is parallel to CD. Then, angle ABC and angle BCE are alternate angles. This angle also 70 degrees. These two angles are equal. This angle also 70 degrees. Then, BEC, angle BEC plus 70 degrees plus 70 degrees is equal 180 because BC is a triangle. The sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is equal 180 degrees. 70 plus 70, 140. Plus BEC, angle BEC is equal 180 degrees. Angle BEC is equal 180 subtract 140 is equal 40 degrees. Angle BEC. Then angle DEF. They are the vertically opposite angles formed by the intersection of two straight lines are equal. The vertically opposite angles formed by the intersection of two straight lines are equal. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Then DEF, magnitude of angle DEF is equal 40 degrees. In the triangle PQR, is the point S is located on QR such that angle QPS equal angle RPS. QPS equal angle RPS. Angle QPS equal angle RPS. Moreover, angle PQS is equal 35 degrees. Angle PRS is equal 55 degrees. Find the magnitude of angle QPR. In the triangle PQR, the interior angles of triangles 35 degrees plus QPR plus 55 is equal 180. 35 plus 55, 90 plus QPR is equal 180. Magnitude of QPR is equal 180 subtract 90 is equal 90 degrees. Magnitude of angle QPR is equal 90 degrees. First, part 1. Part 2. Find the magnitude of angle PSR. QPR is 90 degrees. These two angles QPS and angle SPR are equal. Here PS is the angular bisector of the angle QPS. Then PS is the angular bisector of QPR. PS, the line segment. PS is the angular bisector of the angle QPS. Angle QPR. The magnitude of angle QPS and is equal magnitude of angle SPR are equal 90 divided by 2, 45 degrees. Then the magnitude of angle PSR plus 45 plus 55 is equal 180. Angle PSR plus 100 is equal 180. Angle PSR is equal 180. Subtract 100, 80 degrees. 80 degrees. Question number 4. In the triangle XYZ. In the triangle XYZ, x plus y. X plus y is equal 115 degrees. And y plus z is equal 100 degrees. 100 degrees. Find the magnitude of x, y and z. Here sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is supplementary. X plus y is equal 115. Then z is equal 180. Subtract 115 is equal 65 degrees. Z is equal 65. Now y plus z equal 100. Y plus 65 is equal 100. Y is equal 100 subtract 65 is equal 35 degrees. Y is equal 35. Then y plus z. Here 65 plus 35, 100. Then z is equal 80 degrees. The ratio of the magnitude of the interior angles of a triangle is 1 to 2 to 3. Find the magnitude of each angle separately and with reasons mentioned. What type of a triangle is it? We take the magnitude of the smallest angle as a degrees. Here then 2 times a and 3 times a. We take the smallest magnitude of the smallest angle is a degrees. Then this angle is 2a. Magnitude of this angle is 3a. Then the sum of the three interior angles of a triangle a plus 2a plus 3a is equal 180. Then a plus 2a 3a plus 3a 6a is equal 180. Both sides divide by 6. A is equal 30 degrees. A is equal 30 degrees. Then find the magnitude of each angle separately. Magnitude of 2a is equal 2 times 30. 2 times 30 is equal 60 degrees. Magnitude of 3a is equal 3 times 30 is equal 90 degrees. Then the magnitude of the angles of these triangles are 30, 60 and 90. The magnitudes. Of the angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. What type of a triangle it is? One angle is 90 degrees, right angle. Then this triangle is right angle triangle. This triangle is right angle triangle. An interior angle of a triangle is 75 degrees. 75 degrees. The ratio of the magnitude of remaining two angles is 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Find the magnitudes of each of these angles. We take the magnitudes of the smallest angle as x degrees. Then the magnitude of the other angle is 2x. Then 75 plus x plus 2x is equal 180. X plus 2x 3x is equal 180. Subtract 75 is equal 105. 20x. Both sides divide by 3. X is equal 35 degrees and 2x is equal 2 times 35, 70 degrees. Then the magnitudes of the other two angles are 35 and 70 degrees.